Wagwan everyone. Wagwan everyone. So, yo, Afro Arc, baby. So, honestly, what I was thinking with Afro Arc, right? I wanted to do something a bit less conventional. Less conventional, you know? Does that make sense? I'm playing. So, in terms of less conventional, I just mean hopping into this. I previously talked in a different video about Web3, but that was more about NFTs and all that good stuff. So, this one, I was more thinking about the blockchains and cryptocurrencies and tokens. So I was thinking about producing a token and then eventually a cryptocurrency coin. So from my understanding, a token is essentially a coin but on someone else's blockchain, but then a coin is developed on your own particular blockchain. So I don't think I have the capabilities right now to make my own blockchain system. I believe I would need someone that's proficient in the whole computer science and coding and all that to help me out. But yeah, I think what I want to do is produce my own token first. I watched a couple of YouTube videos and it doesn't look that hard, So, having a token in which fans of the company or franchise can have to retain. Well, I guess it would kind of be somewhat like a stock in the company, as well as being able to trade it and exchange it later for a higher volume if people want to do that. There's so many different use cases with this. But yeah, a friend of mine was telling me it could be beneficial because I was already thinking about it, but I ran it past him. It was like you could think about doing that, just to avoid any complications in the future, like hostile takeovers and the way companies usually somewhat lose their direction, morals, values somewhat when they go public. Some of them, not all of them, some of them. So it could help with that. So yeah, I was thinking about producing this token, this Afro coin or Afro Arc coin, or still need to think about the name properly. But yeah, I think this. I think I'm gonna go down this route. See where this route takes me, because we're in a revolution right now. A beautiful blockchain powered revolution, and I don't want to be one of those guys where I'm overlooking things that are happening because of my old way of thinking and my old processes of thinking, and completely miss the revolution that is happening. So I'm looking at multiple different angles in which I can readapt, reshape, and reform not only myself but the entities I'm looking to produce right now. So yeah, it's a beautiful time right now, a time of great opportunity, and yeah, hopefully, not even hopefully, it's just a matter of time before the Afro Arc name is known globally. Like I'm not even stressing. It's just matter of time. So yeah, this video is not gonna be too long. Yeah, just remember, you heard it here first. Afro Arc, baby. Afro Arc. Yeah.